we're going to use these icons to make words. Show me ready hands, please. I'll say the icon names out loud, and you say them in your head. Ready? Not, she, she. Okay, I want you to start with she and make the word she. Woohoo! That was easy peasy, huh? Now we're going to start with she and make the words she does. She does. Right? Oh, no, right here. Look. She does. Go to she. She. Now she does. It's under do right here.
She does.
She does. Good job, Tyson. Now we're going to start with she and say she likes. She likes cookies. She likes. So that's going to be under like.
She likes.
Yeah, she likes cookies. Now we're going to start with she. Put it down, please. Thank you. And then we're going to do not and say she doesn't like. Start with she, then not. Yep, then not. She doesn't like. So that's going to be under like. She, not.
She
Nope.
doesn't know.
No, that's she doesn't know. Can I show you, please?
She doesn't
Tyson,
know.
go to she,
She.
and then not. She.
She.
She plays.
Me. She play me. She play me. She play.
She played you? Oh no! Okay, here.
She play me.
Start with
She
she.
play me. She play me.
Tyson, can you show me ready hands, please?
She play me. She
Can you show me ready
She
hands?
play me.
Tyson.
She play me.
Okay, but put your device up there, please.
She play. She play.
Put your device.
She.
Okay, when you're done.
She.
Thank you.
She. Finish. She finish. She finish.
No, we're not finished. Okay, thank you. Thanks for getting back on. Okay, we're gonna go she, not. Look, she doesn't like right here.
She doesn't like.
She doesn't like
She doesn't like.
ice cream? Neither do you, huh? You don't like ice cream either. Okay, now we're gonna start with she and do not and say she doesn't. She. No, first she, Tyson. She. That's the one you did earlier today. She. Not. And she doesn't right there.
She doesn't.
She doesn't like snakes either. Okay, do you think you can remember how to say them? Tell me she. Can you say she? She. Just she, Tyson. She. Whoops, sorry. I hit your chair. I know.
She wouldn't.
I know you know how to say she. She.
She.
She. Haha. Give me a high five. Now say she likes. She likes. Do you remember how to do that one? She likes. We're gonna go under like.
She likes.
Woohoo!
She likes.
Do you want to do a
She
fist
likes.
bump? Blow it up. Blow it out. Can you say she does?
She.
She does. That's under do. Now under do.
She does.
Woohoo!
She does.
Ready? She does. How about she doesn't? She doesn't. It's under do again. No, you're right. You're right. Go back to not. You got it.
Her.
Ready? She. Not. She doesn't.
She does. Her. She does. Her.
She
does.
doesn't. One more. She doesn't like. Ready? 2. Okay. She doesn't like. Now go to like.
She doesn't like.
She doesn't like spiders and snakes.
Mm.
Woohoo! Good job. Woohoo!